But speaking of AMC, during this interview, he also came out and spoke about short sellers and how he said AMC is under attack by short sellers, just like they were a couple months ago. And things are getting a little bit more heated because now that the stock has, lost some of the attention, lost some of the hype in the news, now short sellers are coming in and the short ratio is going higher and higher. So he says that since this has happened, shares have dropped pretty significantly in the last couple of days. And, back in March, the short sales rose about 50% to 73.8 million shares. They've dropped since then, but now they're starting to increase back up again. And during the interview, he said that they already have strategies in place that are very good for AMC, very good for the business moving forward to come out of this pandemic, to succeed as movie theaters start to reopen. And he said he'd like to keep everything at the same pace that they're moving, and he'd like to grow the company even more. So he doesn't want short sellers to get in the way of that, to give any negative sort of news around the company. So this is, a lot of people know right now that everything with the short sellers, if the ratio gets too high for the short ratio for AMC, I think we'd probably see it skyrocket even more, because that's when I feel like a lot of people from Wall Street Bets, retail investors, would want to pour more money into it, because they'd see, well, the short volume ratio is going up higher. And if more people are shorting, people are going to want to get back at the institutions, want the little guy to win. And if they see that percentage continue to increase, I think we'll see AMC shoot up even more in the short term. I think it's very possible for it to reach, $20 a share if we see another short squeeze, which could be possible if we see the short volume ratio continue to increase.